Okay, so new challenge. Everybody put your phones on the table, and whose ever phone goes off first, you guys have to call your crush.
Oh my God, no way.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
I'm so nervous.
I'm so stoked. Whose phone's gonna go?
No.
Time's ticking.
No. Hold on.
Wait, who's it? Javi, okay. So call her.
Okay. Dude, are you?
No, you have to.
Okay,
That was the
okay.
challenge.
Come on. You got this.
Okay, I'm calling. Whatever.
Wait,
Let's see if she picks up.
Javi. Why are you calling me? Javi! Oh my gosh! Guys, girls, oh my